I'll take a trip down to the sky, where all the stars will fall in line. I'll hold you closer here tonight, before I leave for the last time. I'll fly down to the Milky Way, and hold your hand so you can stay. Diamonds will light up your face, as memories begin to fade. And butter knives can cut so deep, and butterflies will lose their wings, when dresses all rip at the seams, and all we have left are dreams. I'd sail across the stormy sea, to keep you always in my reach, but then you'd fall away from me, and I'll have nothing left to keep. Maybe I should just let go, but I still need someone to hold. And leaving you is not my goal. I drown again, lose my hope. When butter knives can cut so deep, and butterflies will lose their wings, and dresses all rip at the seams, and all we have left are dreams. When puzzle pieces all get lost, and qualities ruled out by cost, when nightmares really do come true, and all I will have left is you. We'd shatter through the walls of time, and drown in all the open minds. We'd watch the peaceful spirits fly, away from earth and into light. I'll let you hold on tight to me. The air's so thick it's hard to breathe, but our light will thrive endlessly, not on earth but in our dreams. When butter knives can cut so deep, and butterflies will lose their wings, and dresses all rip at the seams, and all we have left are dreams. When puzzle pieces all get lost, and qualities ruled out by cost, when nightmares really do come true, and all I will have left is you. When butter knives can cut so deep, and butterflies will lose their wings, and dresses all rip at the seams, and all we have left are dreams. When puzzle pieces all get lost, and qualities ruled out by cost, when nightmares really do come true, and all I will have left is you.
Turn away. If you could get me a drink of water, 'cause my lips are chapped and faded. Call my Aunt Marie. Help her gather all my things and bury me in all my favorite colors. My sisters and my brothers still. I will not kiss you, 'cause the hardest part of this is leaving you. I will not kiss you. Lips are chapped and faded. Call my lips are chapped and faded, faded. Kiss you. Lips are chapped and faded. Call my 'cause I'm awful just to see. And all my hair's abandoned, all my body, oh my agony. Know that I will never marry. Baby, I'm just soggy from the chemo. I'm counting down the days to go. This just ain't living, and I just hope you know I will not kiss you. Lips are chapped and faded, call my lips are chapped and faded, faded. Kiss you. Lips are chapped and faded, call my lips are chapped and faded, faded. If you say goodbye today, I'll ask you to be true, 'cause the hardest part of this is leaving you. Yes, the hardest part of this. I will not kiss you. Lips are chapped and faded, call my lips are chapped and faded, faded. Kiss you. Lips are chapped and faded, call my lips are chapped and faded, faded.
I tried to leave it all behind me, but I woke up and there they were beside me. And I don't believe it, but I guess it's true. Some feelings they can travel to. Oh, there it is again, sitting on my chest, makes it hard to catch my breath. I scramble for the light to check. You're always on my mind. You're always on my mind. And I never minded being on my own. Then something broke in me and I wanted to go home, to be where you are. But even closer to you, you seem so very far. And now I'm reaching out with every note I see, and I hope it gets to you on some Pacific wind. Wraps itself around you and whispers in your ear, tells you that I miss you and I wish that you were here. And if I stay, oh, I don't know, there'll be so much that I'll have to let go. You're disappearing all the time, but I still see you in the light. For you the shadows fight, and it's beautiful, but there's that tug inside. I must stop time traveling. You're always on